What up, y'all? Today I'm gonna make a video showing y'all how to clean y'all's four-wheelers. Well, how I clean mine anyways. Show y'all the stuff I use. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna jump right into it. I gotta pull it out of the garage. I'm gonna move my truck. Got it all cleaned up. Yes, sir. The four-wheeler's next. Alright, first things first, I'm gonna show y'all the exact products that I use to do it. I got them all lined up right here. So how do you flip this thing around? I guess you can't do it while you're already filming. Anyways, here's the stuff I use. So this McGuire's tire shine. It's, in my opinion, the best tire shine that you can use for four-wheelers, for your truck, for your car, whatever. This is McGuire's chrome cleaner. This works great on any of your shiny stuff. So like even this bar right here, the exhaust, and I use it the most for like the diffs. So if you spray that stuff on the diffs, let it sit there for like five minutes or so, and wash it off, the diff will look brand new after you do it. This, and I didn't get the bottle, but this is Purple Power that's inside here, and this foam cannon came off of Amazon. I'll probably leave a link in the description or something so y'all know which one to go get. But this is actually the first time I've used this. Normally I have the Ryobi ones from Home Depot, but we'll see how it works. My buddy Joseph, he has one of these and it seems to foam up really nice, so I'm looking forward to using it. And then the last thing you want to use is the SC1. Usually I'll put a light coat on right after I'm done washing it, well, once it's dry, and then from there on I'll put some more on it right when I go ride, and it keeps the stuff from sticking too bad. I mean, sometimes like it's still dirty from Busco, but sometimes that stuff doesn't really help that much depending on what you're in. But I guess I'll give y'all a quick walk around right now too. I hadn't washed it since I went to Busco, but you can see it's pretty filthy. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just get a good wash off on it, and then we'll go from there. All right, so before I start washing it, I'm gonna kick this thing in time lapse. I gotta let the pressure washer get warmed up or whatever, cut the water on. It takes a minute to build the pressure up, so I'm gonna do that, get ready, and I'll start washing. Oh yeah, one more thing. I'm just gonna show you the pressure washer I have. It's just a cheap one from Home Depot. I've had it for like 4 or 5 years or something. Ryobi, 1600 PSI, 1.2 gallons per minute. It's electric, but I think it's the job done. You know, I've had it for several years. It's not too much pressure for washing this thing, so it's not like ripping my stickers off or anything, but it gets all the mud off. So anyways, I'm gonna get after it.
It's Huddy, it's Huddy. Yeah, ask me what it feel like staring at the sky.
One more thing I wanted to say was, when y'all are doing this, let the tools do the work for you. You'll see when I wash mine, I almost never have to touch the four-wheeler, because I let chemicals and the pressure washer and the cleaners all do what they're supposed to do. So you'll see sometimes I have to, you know, get a brush or something, but most of the time I just let the chemicals do it all. Like now I'm about to get the foam cannon, attach it to the pressure washer, spray it all over the whole bike, let it sit, and then wash it off. So here we go.
I'm a fugitive. Nowadays got it all figured out. I don't really gotta take so long. But I'm missing all the times in the past when I couldn't see your face at all. That's why.
Alright, I got it all foam cannon. Stuff washed off a lot. Wish it was stuck a little bit more, but it's not really a soap. It's, I don't even know what they call it. I think it's just some kind of chemical. Purple Power it is. But that ought to do pretty good. Look at those sassies. Let it sit for a few minutes. I'm probably gonna spray the chemical guy, or not, the McGuire's chrome cleaner. Probably gonna spray that on the disc here in a minute, the exhaust. And then we just wait.
came from, now where the hate go? Oh, you from Wu-Tang? Then why's your face goes? Bottle up my confidence and sell it by the caseload. Take a bunch of optimists and drop them in the same boat. Ask them if that shit's half full, half empty. Too big for my own good, D can be. Matumbo, you dumbos just envy. Name a bunch of rappers and pretend that you forget me, but nowadays got it all figured out. I don't really gotta take so long. But I'm missing all the times in the past when I couldn't see your face at all. That's why the chase is on, chase is on, chase.
All right, that pretty much wraps it up for the pressure washer. Now what I normally do is I'll unhook the pressure washer and I'll pull the water hose out, and then I'll just wash off the whole four-wheeler with the water hose. And one of the main reasons I do that is because of the radiator. You don't want to put a lot of pressure on your radiator as far as from the pressure washer, so I'll just get the water hose and I'll let it run on there until it looks clean. So you can see I sprayed that chrome cleaner in there and it's cleaning up some of it, but you still got some down in there that I gotta get. So that's one of the last steps I do before I pull it back in the garage and put the SC1 on it and all that. So that's what I'm gonna do next. I probably ain't gonna film this part, but that's what I'm gonna do. All right, I pretty much got it about finished. Obviously, I mean, it's not perfect, and that's not what this video is meant to show you, is that this is the perfect way to clean a four-wheeler. As you can see, it done, the way I do it's pretty good, I think. I mean, pretty simple too, not a lot of products you have to use. You literally spray it off, spray foam on it, spray that off, and then wash it off. That's it, literally. You can see now I'm washing out the little trunk or whatever. This thing always gets filled with water, but I'll let it dry, and then I'll probably either ride around, and then I'm gonna put some tire shine on it and some SC1, and it'll be good to go. All right, she's pretty much done. Oh, let me get up. Sprayed some SC1 on there, the tire shine. You can see it does a pretty good job. My method of cleaning this. So if y'all look for a quick way, I'm not trying to detail a four-wheeler, you know what I mean? Obviously, you know, it has a little bit. If I really wanted to, I could get that stuff off, but it's not a big deal. Yeah, it's just a basic clean. As clean as it needs to be for a four-wheeler, just to get dirty again. One thing I will say is, I was thinking about it, wouldn't it be cool if there were, like, you know how people have car shows? What about like four-wheeler and side-by-side shows? Never seen that. It might be something we should try and do one day. Anyways, hope y'all enjoyed the video. It wasn't nothing special, just chilling at home, figured I'd pump something out. Y'all like, subscribe, share, all that if you want to. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all next time.
Chase is on, that's why the chase is on, chase is on, chase is on. So we stay chasing